Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 2148th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. And please subscribe to these videos. Just subscribe at youtube.com/futures analysts, and you'll know when a new YouTube video is being released. So, traders, this video is being filmed on a Wednesday night for trading Thursday, August 13th, 2020. Interesting what's going on here. I will show you in 1 second. Just please know this is a very risky game. ETFs, futures, options, you name it. It is not suitable for all traders. You can really get hammered. In fact, I came out in front of the camera last night and told you we're going to sell Amgen, and sell ES, and both of them were wrong. There is risk in what we do here, kids. So know that there is risk and know that you can absolutely lose money. We lost in both Amgen and the E-mini S&P on Wednesday. So it's not always going to be fruitful, but we do win a lot here. All right, traders, so talking about winning, we plan on winning on Thursday, and here's how. E-mini S&P, Omni wants me to buy the dips, and I agree. And if you recall in last night's video, basically the gist of the whole video was this. No matter what happens, Nasdaq is going to call the shots tomorrow. So here's where we stood. I said, Nasdaq tells us put a hold on expecting the market to crack. I did have an Omni trade to sell into a rally and see what happened. But Nasdaq told us do not expect the market crack just yet. Why? Well, you've seen this in enough videos, guys, gals, because whenever this market jumps up off this trend line and this average, boom, it rallies back up, and rallies back up, and rallies back up, and rallies back up, and does it again, and rallies, and does it again, and rallies smartly, and does it again. And here we sat Tuesday night not knowing what's going to happen Wednesday, and that's what I mentioned. Basically, we cannot expect lots of downside unless this actually stopped its repetitive patterns. And as you can see, these are repetitive patterns. So what happened? Let's add Wednesday in. This is Wednesday. It absolutely did what it always does. It turned around and exploded, held the line, got near the trend line, held the average, rallied right back up, which flips Omni back into a buy, and I don't mind that even slightly. So we will be buying the dips in the E-mini S&P and or Nasdaq if we can get a fill. In all honesty, I've sort of avoided trading the Nasdaq the last couple of weeks, and will for a while, because it's no longer Nasdaq. It's Tesla's on deck. It's whatever Tesla and Amazon does, that's what Nasdaq will do. If Tesla and Amazon is down a few points and the S&P's up 50, Nasdaq will be down a few points. You can see that happening almost every day. Nasdaq is no longer trading on its own. It is a complete captive to Tesla and Amazon. So it's Tesla's on deck. I'm not going to actually trade it, but I will trade the S&P based on the information I have in Nasdaq and, of course, on the S&P. We will take an Omni trade. If we get filled, we will buy a dip and see where it goes. All right, traders, make sure you join me at livewithoscar.com. Join me in my free live trading room. There are no credit cards required. There are no gimmicks. Just create a free membership with a username and password at livewithoscar.com. And join me in my live trading room. It is called Omni Chat. I will see you all there. Traders, remember to keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to keep those emotions at bay, and believe me, I know that's not easy, but try this. Say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. traders. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.